Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, outside temperature gauge, backup camera, leather upholstery, Sirius satellite radio, push button start, cruise control, trip computer. Come take a test drive today.